Once upon a time, there was two girls named Ku and Sink, and they lived in a big beautiful home with their mother and father. Okay, have a great time at school, guys. Yeah, Mom, we know. Yeah, we know, Mom. Okay, I'm just so worried about you girls. Okay, Mom, we love you. I'm kind of worried for the first day of school. Don't worry, I'm here for you. Thanks, sis. Time. Well. Look what we have here. Two new students. I need to get to my class, so excuse me. Fine, little nerdy girl. Hi there. My name's Camelia. What's your name? Hi, my name is Kylie. Oh, I heard that you got bullied. Yep, I did. I heard that those bullies got dark powers, so, just watch out, okay? What the what are you laughing at? Okay, this is pretty weird. I'll see you around. So, how was school? Well, I just met a new girl, and I don't know why I laughed. Well, maybe you were just thinking of something funny. Let's head home, shall we? I think we should go home.